Hi folks, it's Jean from Florida Dreams, listing a new property here at 28 Ultima Court in beautiful Jamaica Bay, Fort Myers, Florida. This is the lanai, and we go into the living room here. Nice spacious living room. And over to the dining room. We have a kitchen. New cabinets in the kitchen. Out back here we have something quite unique. We have a deck. Not many places here have a deck. So this is the backyard. It's on a canal. And the nice spacious deck. And we go down the hallway here to the first bathroom. And then we have the master bedroom. And it has its own bathroom with a shower and a nice walk-in closet. This place is unique in the fact that this second bedroom was actually an addition, and it is also the size of a master bedroom. So we have that, and we have a storage room here with plenty of storage back there. And that is 28 Ultima Jamaica Bay. Come on out and take a look at it, folks. It's a great place at a great price.